Well, there seems to be a big hole in Beast's dashboard. Why is that? Because today I gotta fix the 8-track. Boy, this thing's a friggin' monster. Must weigh a good 3 or 4 pounds. A few days ago, she quit playing tapes. So a little exploratory surgery. Hopefully it is what I think it is, which would be the rubber band snapped or just came off. Gotta love old technology. These things literally run on a rubber band. Last one. Well, well, well. Just as I thought. See if I can untangle this. Huh. Boy, you really tied yourself in a knot, didn't you? Holy cow. Basically, this now deceased rubber band connects these two pulleys together, like so, and that's what drives your tape. So, all I got to do is replace that rubber band and we're good to go. Well, there we go. Rubber bands for days. Only $2.50 at the dollar store. Gotta love it. There we go. Just as neat as you please. That's how it works. And this is why I swear by old technology. It's just that easy to fix. We're all buttoned up here. Alright. Get this mofo installed. Shift her out of the way. Come on. Get your big ass in there. Come on. There we go. Okay. Let's try her out. A little credence, why not? Oh, not bad. Only a little draggy. Well, that'll do until I find the right size rubber band. Unfortunately, if you have the wrong size, it changes the sound slightly. Oh well, she works. Get your beauty panel back on. There we go. Lighter. And don't want to forget your knobs. There we go. Yes. Gotta love it. Well, now that Beast has her voice back, maybe I'll just wake the Beast for the hell of it. Everybody likes a good cold start. Here we go. Pumpity 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 pump. Give her, Beast. Yeah! Fuck yeah. Yeah. Beast's happy.